Division algorithm for polynomials. In previous classes we have learned division method. So now let us take one of the division method and try and understand. Where we have dividend 27 and divisor as 5, we can get it divided very simply. So we get 5 as a quotient and 2 as a remainder. And we also know long division method where dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So with previous division we can take 27 is equals to 5 into 5 plus 2. Now let us learn about division algorithm for polynomials. Suppose we have a polynomial where dividend is equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8 and divisor will be x square minus 3x plus 2. Now we will divide one of the first term of dividend with the first term of divisor. So the first term of dividend x cube, the first term of divisor was x square. So we get the answer as x. This is the first term of quotient. Now we'll multiply the divisor with the first term of the quotient and subtract the product from the dividend. So we have x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. So we get x cube cancelled, and in the remainder we have minus 3x square plus 10x minus 8. Now we'll get the dividend and the divisor is same. Now again divide the first term of dividend with the first term of divisor. We have minus 3x square upon x square is equals to minus 3. This is the second term of quotient. Multiply divisor with the second term of the quotient and subtract this product from the dividend. So we get minus 3x square plus 9x minus 6. After subtracting, we get the remainder as x minus 2. Now while looking to the term x of dividend and the first term of divisor x square on the division of this, we get x upon x square is equals to 1 upon x, which is not a polynomial. Hence, it could not be taken the third term of quotient. By this we have understood the division algorithm of polynomial. Now let us take another sum and try and simplifying it again. If we get a question, px and gx are two polynomials with gx is not equal to 0, then we can find polynomial qx and rx such that px is equals to gx into qx plus rx, where rx is equals to remainder such that rx is equals to 0, or degree of rx is less than degree of gx, where gx is divisor and qx is quotient. Let us divide x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 by x square minus 2 and verify the division algorithm. Dividend will be px is equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and divisor will be gx is equals to x square minus 2. We have a dividend and divisor. Now let us divide and understand. We have understood the division method. Now we'll fastly divide it and we get the quotient as x minus 3 and remainder as 7x minus 9. So the degree of 7x minus 9 is less than the degree of x square minus 2. So hence it could not divide further. Therefore quotient of qx is equals to x minus 3, remainder rx is equals to 7x minus 9. According to division algorithm, px is equals to gx into qx plus rx. Let us verify this condition. RHS is equals to gx into qx plus rx. Therefore RHS is equals to x square minus 2 into x minus 3 plus 7x minus 9. After simplifying, we get x cube minus 2x minus 3x square plus 6 plus 7x minus 9. If we see, we have x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, where this is the same of the question. Therefore px is LHS. So px is equals to gx into qx plus rx, hence verified.